Hi guys, good morning. Dito sa amin, it's minus 41 ngayon. Sobrang lamig sa labas. So, ito yung temperature today. So, yeah. So, meron kami ngayong gagawin. So, mostly ginagawa ng mga tao to during winter times, when especially kapag ka minus 40. So, it's a fun game. So, parang we will try to throw the hot water in the air. We'll see what will happen. So, and I hope you're gonna like it. So, we done this long time ago, but this time we'll try it again. So, we'll see. So, I got this hot water here. So, we'll see what's going on because it's too cold outside. So, they said if you throw hot water in the air, so it creates something beautiful, right? So, magkukolide yung init at ang lamig, and then it will create something beautiful.
Said.
So, here we go again. Here we go now. It's minus 40.
Minus 40 below.
So look at our window. It's frozen. Okay guys, we're here. We'll see what's going on. Okay.
No, don't.
Oh, yeah, I know.
Yeah. Sige pa, doon pa. Ang mga sasakyan, nakasaksak.
Okay.
Wait. Doon ka, doon. Baka matama lang sasakyan.
Mommy, you don't give us enough.
Yan. Wait.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, go.
Oh my goodness, it's true.
One more, mommy.
One more. Daddy, doon. Oh my goodness. Yan.
I go Ready?
Wait, kasi blurred yung blurred yung camera.
Are you ready?
Okay.
Ready?
Hey.
1, 2, 3, go.
Woo! That's hot water.
Yeah.
One more.
Say no more.
No more?
That's it.
Oh my goodness.
Okay, there's one more.
As in boiling
Yeah.
water. Woo! Ulitin natin.
Hi. So there you go. It collides in the air. So
Boiling
boiling water. So I should make more water. So that'll be good.
No, because the kettle
Siguro kung napuno ito, maging maganda siguro.
Yeah.
So, okay guys, see you again next time for my next vlog. So that's one of fun game that we used to during the winter time. Okay. It's nice to see that on the lake, but it's too far. So, okay. Have a good day again, guys. I'll see you later again. So, okay, let's go inside, mommy. Naubusan na ako ng mainit na tubig. Okay?
Sek, nakita mo?
Okay?
Wow, that's
Okay.
nice.
Yeah.
I'll see you guys next time. Okay. Bye-bye.
Subscribe to
Bye.
our channel.
Yeah, subscribe to our channel.
And like the video.
Okay, like the video.
Thank you.
Okay, thanks for watching, guys. Okay, bye-bye.
Bye.
It's me, your